I really like to use the sugar scrubs, and Lilac sugar scrub is no exception. I really like to be able to use the flowers and the fruits and vegetables around us, and for this, it's just been lilac season here, so I've been making my lilac sugar. Take a look in the link below if you want to see how to do that. But this is so easy to make. All I do is I use 1 cup of the lilac sugar. And that's so fun because it has little lilacs in it. And then I use 1/2 cup of coconut oil. And then I mix them together. You could use a food processor for this, but a wooden spoon works just as well. If you wanted to change the amount that you were making, do larger amounts so that you could gift them out, then you could. You would just maintain that 2-to-1 ratio. I just continue to mix it until it's nice and smooth. That coconut oil is so good for your skin. It not only moisturizes, but it reduces redness as well as being antimicrobial. And I can tell that it's fully mixed when I can't see any more clumps of granules. I then place my sugar scrub in a lidded container. One of the nice things about using the lilac sugar is that not only does it look so pretty with the little chunks of lilac in it, but it's also edible. So as you're washing your face, if you get some in your mouth, it's not a big deal. And then I put the lid on and I like to label it. This one has a little chalk sticker on there, or chalkboard sticker. And then to use it, I would just put it on my face or anywhere that needs it and do it in a circular motion, being somewhat gentle because any sugar scrub does have an exfoliating effect and you don't want to go too far with that. And then wash it off with warm water. I found that it's really fun to take the elements out of my garden and use them for making things like these, and it's so much fun to gift to other people.